Neymar struck the winning penalty as Brazil claimed its first ever Olympic football gold medal with victory over Germany on penalties at Rio's Maracanã on Saturday. The 5-4 shootout win exacted revenge for a humiliating 7-1 World Cup semi-final defeat to Germany 2 years ago. Olympic gold was the only major title to have escaped five-time world champion Brazil in their history. But Barcelona star Neymar righted that historical wrong as he fired the winning penalty into the top corner before breaking into tears. "This is one of the best things that have happened in my life," said Neymar, who was heavily criticized for his underwhelming start to the Olympics. Now the critics have to swallow what they said. In front of the biggest crowd of Rio Games, including 9-time Jamaican gold medalist Usain Bolt, Neymar's brilliant free kick handed Brazil a first-half lead. In honor of the retiring sprinting great, Neymar even adopted the lightning bolt celebration, whilst chants of "Ole, Ole, Ole" Neymar rang around Rio's most iconic arena. However, Germany captain Max Meyer enjoyed a special celebration of his own as he taunted the raucous 78,000 crowd at the Maracanã by kissing the number 7 on his shirt when he swept home Jeremy Toljan's cross just before the hour mark. The first 8 penalties in the shootout were all successful before Brazil goalkeeper Everton stopped Nils Petersen's effort to set the stage for Neymar. And he didn't disappoint as, with the weight of the nation on his shoulders, he rifled the ball into the top corner. "I told Neymar that God had given him a second chance. God loves Neymar like he loves all this team," said Everton. In stark contrast to the empty seats on show across the games, even for some of Bolt's marquee races, there wasn't a seat to be had at the Maracanã, where Germany won the World Cup against Lionel Messi's Argentina 2 years ago. However, it was for the 7-1 mauling in Belo Horizonte 5 days previously that Brazil were seeking revenge. None of the players that took to the field that day started on Saturday. Neymar missed the darkest day in Brazil's football history due to 2 broken bones in his back suffered during a bruising quarter-final win over Colombia. Yet, the good fortune that escaped Brazil on home soil 2 years ago was certainly with them in the first half as Germany were desperately unlucky to go in behind at the break. Julian Brandt's fine curling effort came back off the bar, whilst Sven Bender also hit the woodwork from close range. In between times, Neymar had opened the scoring via the bar with a sumptuous dipping effort from 25 yards for his 3rd goal of the tournament. Everton made a fine save from Meyer and Paris Saint-Germain defender Marquinhos was fortunate when his knee-hit clearance flew inches over his own crossbar. However, Everton was beaten for the first time in the competition just before the hour mark when Meyer swept home Toljan's low cross. Brazil piled on the pressure in the final half-hour of normal time as Gabriel Jesus turned Fernando Augusto's dangerous cross just wide. Substitute Daley P. Anderson fluffed his lines and Neymar's effort from distance flew just off target. The hosts had the better chances in extra time too as Lewin burst clear only to see his shot blocked before Anderson was denied when one-on-one with Horn. Thankfully for Rogerio Mital's men, they were far more clinical from the spot as Augusto, Marquinhos, Rafinha and all netted to hand Neymar the chance to live up to his billing as the host's poster boy for the games. Nigeria denied Honduras bronze. Nigeria claimed men's football bronze at the Rio Olympics with an entertaining 3-2 win over Honduras in Belo Horizonte on Saturday to deny the Central Americans their first ever Olympic medal. 2 goals from Roma strikers Sadat Umar and namesake Aminu Umar's fine finish early in the second half put Nigeria 3-0 up. Honduras battled until the end, though, as Anthony Lozano and Marcelo Prera headed home in the final 20 minutes to set up a nervy finish for the 1996 gold medal winners.